welcome you all in our new tutorial video. Today we will learn how to use the Pathfinder tool. First of all, we have to create a new file and give it any name and any size you want. Let's say I chose A4 size and name it. Let's say I name it TK1. So today I'll show you how to use the Pathfinder tool. First go to Windows and click the Pathfinder. Here you can see the Pathfinder, and this is the Pathfinder. On the right top corner you can see the Pathfinder tools, different types of. So first of all, make any shape whatever you want, and that is, I'll give it color black and create new like this. And here is two different boxes, and let's say I want to make a different copies of it. Just Control C and Control V, Control C, Control V, and like this. Here we have three different shapes. So first of all, if you want to join them, shape modes, here you can see the unite mode. Just click on that and this mode will be united. Same if you want to cut one of the other, let's click on the intersection mode. That's also called the minus font. And you got this. And if you want to get the intersection part, got this. Okay, here. And what if you want to do the you want to just subtract the intersection part, common part you want to got this. So this is how it works. You can create anything you want. It just totally depends on your imaginative power, what you want to do. And next video I'll show you how to make an excellent logo using these tools. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly subscribe our channel. Bye.